Hey space fans! Today, I've got some mind-blowing news for you about the first interstellar object discovered beyond our solar system, Oumuamua. In 2017, this object was spotted by the Pan-STARRS Observatory in Hawaii and was named Oumuamua, which means scout or messenger in Hawaiian. It looked like a comet, but it had some weird features that made it hard to classify. Cracking the mystery of Oumuamua. Two astrophysicists from Arizona State University, Stephen Desch and Alan Jackson, decided to dig into the mystery of Oumuamua's strange characteristics. They concluded that it's likely a piece of a Pluto-like planet from another solar system. Their findings were published in the AGU Journal of Geophysical Research, Planets. Professor Desch said, Oumuamua looked like a comet in many ways, but it was peculiar enough to stir up a lot of speculation about its nature. Strange features. Desch and Jackson observed several unique features of Oumuamua. Speed. It entered our solar system at a lower speed than expected, suggesting it hadn't been traveling through interstellar space for more than 1 billion years. Shape. Its pancake-like, flattened shape was unlike any other object in our solar system. Push. It experienced a rocket effect as it passed the sun, but the push was stronger than expected. Also, it didn't have a detectable gas tail like most comets. New hypothesis. They hypothesized that Oumuamua was made of different ices and calculated how quickly these ices would turn from solid to gas as it passed the sun. They figured out its mass, shape, and how reflective the ices were. One ice, in particular, solid nitrogen, matched all of Oumuamua's features. Solid nitrogen is found on Pluto, so it's possible Oumuamua could be made of the same stuff. Jackson said, "We knew we had the right idea when the albedo, reflectivity, matched the motion of Oumuamua with the observations. This value was the same as what we see on Pluto or Triton, which are covered in nitrogen ice." They also calculated how chunks of solid nitrogen ice could have been knocked off Pluto-like bodies and how likely it was for such chunks to reach our solar system. Jackson explained, "It was probably knocked off its parent system about 500 million years ago. Its unusual shape can be explained by the evaporation of its outer nitrogen ice layers, similar to how a bar of soap gets thinner over time." Alien technology? Although Oumuamua's comet-like nature was quickly recognized, the inability to explain it in detail led to wild speculations about it being alien technology. This sparked a public debate about the scientific method and the responsibility of scientists to avoid jumping to conclusions. Desch said, "Everyone is interested in aliens, and it was inevitable that people would think Oumuamua might be alien technology. But in science, it's important not to jump to conclusions. It took us 2 to 3 years to find a natural explanation, a chunk of nitrogen ice, that matches everything we know about Oumuamua." Future discoveries. Desch and Jackson hope that future telescopes, like those at the Vera Rubin Observatory in Chile, will find more interstellar objects for them and other scientists to study. Jackson added, "In a decade or so, we hope to gather statistics on the kinds of objects that pass through our solar system. Whether nitrogen ice chunks are rare or common, we'll learn a lot about other solar systems and their histories." That's it for today's space update. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more incredible space news. See you in the next video.